Hi dear students, welcome to my class. This is for 8th class and the chapter is chemical effects of electric current. Okay, in the last class we were discussed about a very interesting concept, that is electroplating. Can you tell the definition for electroplating? The process of depositing a thin layer on a desirable metals on another materials. So the process of depositing a layer of metal or any desirable metal on another material by means of electricity. This is what electroplating. Right now. So in this class I am going to discuss some more interesting concepts of this electroplating. So electroplating is a useful process. Electroplating. 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 It is a useful process. It is a useful process, and these electroplating process used widely in industries. Widely in industry for coating many metal objects with other different metals. The metals for deposited with the same properties. That means which metal of the objects lacks its quality or lacks its properties. If iron is there, if iron is coated by a zinc, so this iron lacks its property. Why? Because zinc is coated by the coated on the this iron. So now it shows a zinc property. Right now, for this one more important concept, that is example is chromium plating. So chromium plating. Chromium plating. Chromium plating. So chromium, here chromium is very expensive. Chromium is very expensive. This is done in done on many objects such as car parts. Different car parts are chromium plating. So this is a scratch resistant. Chromium is a scratch resistant. Very expensive cars are there. If the car bodies are scratched, we get heritage. Right now. So because of scratch resistance, that is chromium. So in different parts of cars, we are using chromium plating and bathtubs. Okay, now in bathrooms, the bathtubs are made by this chromium platings and kitchen gas burners, bicycle handles and wheels, rims and other parts. We know that chromium has a shiny appearance. Chromium is a shiny appearance. This chromium. Chromium is a shiny appearance. Shiny appearance. Right now. So we are get attracted to shiny appearance of objects. Okay, now different objects, different articles are used in our homes. Right now. So many metals like gold, silver. So platinum. These metals are used as jewelries or ornamentals. So in gold, we can observe the fool's gold. Fool's gold. Are you heard this fool's gold or Uma gold? So one metal is there right now. One metal is covered with the gold or coated with the gold. That's we call as fool's gold. That means gold is somewhat cost is high. This fool's gold cost is very cheap right now. That's why some people use this fool's gold and fool's silver and different duplicate jewelries. Okay, now at the time of this chromium plating, okay, the chromium plating is also done in fool's gold, and these economically somewhat high right now. High, this chromium is somewhat economically high cost, but this chromium is only used for the coating, purpose. That's why this fool's gold and other jewelries obtained as a very cheap and good and different cans. That means tin cans. In tin cans, which purpose we have to use the tin cans? So storing the foods, oils, right now. So these tin cans are also made by this electroplating. So this iron is present right now. So in this iron, tin is coated. Tin is coated. That means electroplating is done. Tin is coated on the surface of iron. So this iron resists the this tin resists the corrosion of this iron. Okay na? So when this iron and the food items cannot react with each other. Why? Because when this iron reacts with food items, they will be spoiled out. So prevention for this, we have to use the tin coated cans right now. And iron is used for the bridges, making of bridges, so because of gives strength also. And this iron is used for the automobiles also. So iron tends to corroded and rusting. So you have to prevent this coating of zinc. So coating of zinc in automobiles and bridges. So this zinc is prevents the corrosion of iron. Okay, this is what today's class electroplating is over. Okay, this is the completion of the chapter chemical effects of electric current. It is the most important chemical effect of electric current. Okay, now. So one more thing, in electroplating factories, the disposals or waste materials are used to conducting solution is a major problem. So this gives the wastage problem. So this is very harmful to environment. By using special techniques, you have to minimize that harmful effects to environment. Okay now. So the car parts, the cycle bar handles, and the car rims, bike rims, you have to observe in your nature or in our surroundings. Around us, you can observe so many this electroplating process. Okay. So this is the completion of the chapter. In the next class, we will discuss exercise questions. Okay. Thank you.